Hello everyone and welcome to Mahadev Classes Veraval. In our previous lectures we learned Roman numbers and knowing numbers, and now we are going to learn the chapter number 3, which is D mass. In this chapters we are going to solve some basic simplifications questions. Now question number 1, suppose 25 plus 18 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 minus 10. Okay, so these types of question can be solved with the help of this D mass rules. Okay, so what you have to do is to follow this rule first, then you can solve these types of question very easily. So first of all we will understand the rule first. See, D it means division, M it means multiplication, A it means addition, and S it means subtraction. Okay, so in this rule we will follow only division and multiplication. Okay, and after completing that division and multiplication we will learn another rule which I will tell you later. Okay, so let's start the question first. 25 plus 18 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 minus 10. Okay, so to solve this question we have to follow this rule. Okay, the first one is D means division. Okay, so find out where is the D symbol, I mean where is the division symbol in this whole question. You can see that the division symbol is between 18 and 6. So first of all we have to do the process of division. Okay, so let's do that division. Okay, 18 divided by 6, and you all know that 6 3s are 18 and remainder is 0, and the quotient is our answer. So hence 18 divided by 6 we will get 3. Okay, now we will write 3 and the rest of this thing like 25 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 10. Okay, now we reach here multiplication. Okay, now find out the multiplication symbol. You can see that the multiplication symbol is between 3 and 2. So you have to do the multiplication process in between 3 and 2. So 3 2s are, you will get 6. 25 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 10. Okay, so now we complete the process of division and multiplication, and now there is only plus and minus signs are left. Okay, so whenever there is only plus and minus signs are left, then what you have to do is to follow the another rule, and which rule is minus minus plus, plus plus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus minus. Okay, see, minus minus both are equal symbol. Similarly plus plus, this is also an equal symbol. And so whenever there are equal symbol, you have to do the process of addition. Okay, and whenever you find the different symbol, see, minus plus, plus minus, whenever you find those different symbol, then you have to do the process of subtraction. Okay, now focus on our question. See, you can see that this 10 is minus, this 6 is plus, and there is no sign on the left side of this 25 digit. It means it is a plus sign. Okay, so now hence you can see all the signs here. Okay, now we will start with this. See, 25 and 6 plus plus, you can see that there is a plus plus equal symbol, then you have to do the process of addition. Okay, so 25 plus 6 you will get 31. Okay, now after doing the process of addition or subtraction, you have to put the symbol of the bigger number. Okay, example, for an example, see, 25 and 6 you do the process of addition, but now you have to put the symbol of the bigger one. Now tell me which one is the bigger one, 25 or 6? you can easily say that the 25 is the bigger number, so you have to put the sign of that bigger one, which is plus. Okay, and now the rest one is minus 10. Okay, now again do the same process. See, 31 minus 10. Okay, see, plus minus. See, plus minus, there are different symbols, so you have to do the process of subtraction. Now we will just simply do the process of subtraction. 31 minus 10, then you will get 21, and after in this resulting answer you have to put the symbol of the bigger number. Now tell me one thing, which one is the bigger one, 31 or 10? Obviously it is 31 is the bigger one, then you have to put the symbol of 31, which is plus. That's why in our resulting answer you have to put that plus sign. Okay, so this was the answer of our given question. Now suppose there is another question like 36 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 minus 50 plus 10. Okay, so now how will you solve these questions? To solve this question, you have to follow that rule of D mass. Okay, so first of all we will go for that D, means division. Find out the symbol of divide. You can see that the divide symbol is between 36 and 6. So first of all you have to do the process of division of 36 and 6. 36 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. So answer is 6, and then multiply by 2 minus 50 and plus 10. Okay, now we reach here the multiplication. Now where is the symbol of multiplication? You can see that the symbol of multiplication is here. So you have to do the process of multiplication in between 6 and 2. So what will you get is 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 12, now minus 50 plus 10. Okay, now there is no any other sign of multiplication and divide, so we have to follow this rule now. So first of all see this 10 is plus, this 50 is minus, and this 12 there is no sign. Okay, so it means it is a plus 1. So now see, plus minus minus, I mean there are different symbol, and different symbol we have to do the process of subtraction, and in the resulting answer we have to put the sign of a bigger one. Okay, so now simply there is a different symbol, we have to do the process of subtraction. 50 minus 12, it means 38. Okay, and now you have to put the symbol of the bigger one. Which one is the bigger one, 12 or 50? Obviously it's a 50 is the bigger one. So now we have to put the sign of that 50. Okay, and 50 is minus, then in our resulting answer we have to put a minus symbol, and now the rest one is plus 10. Okay, now again do that same process. See, minus plus, there is a different symbol, then you have to do the process of subtraction, and in the resulting answer you have to put the symbol of the bigger number. Okay, now we simply do the process of subtraction. 38 minus 10, you will get 28. And which one is the bigger one, 38 or 10? Obviously 38 is the bigger one, then you have to put the symbol of that bigger one, means minus. Okay, so this is the answer of our given simplification question. Okay, now another question. Suppose there is 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 minus 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5. Okay, so just don't worry about there are how many signs are there. We have to follow that rule of D mass first. Okay, now first of all we will find that division symbol first. Now you can see that division is here and also here, so we have to do that process of division first. See, 5 divided by 5 you will get 1, and similarly here you will also get 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 1, multiply by 5, and here is the minus, and this answer is 1, and multiply by 5 and plus 5. Okay, now where are the symbol of multiplication? Here and here. So now you have to do the process of multiplication. 1 5 are 5. Here is minus 1 5 are 5, and in the last plus 5. Okay, now there is no symbol of addition or division and multiplication. So now you have to follow this rule. Okay, so now you can see that this 5 is plus, this 5 is minus, and there is no sign, so it means it is plus. Okay, so now see, plus minus, different symbol, subtraction. So 5 minus 5, you will get 0, and you all know that 0 is having no symbol like plus or minus. Okay, so 0, and in the last there is 5, so 0 plus 5, you will get 5. So this is the answer of our given simplification. Okay, the last question. Suppose 25 divided by 5 multiplied by 25 minus 100 plus 75. Okay, to solve these questions we have to follow the rule of DMAS first. Okay, so first of all we will find that divide symbol. See, you can see that the divide symbol is between 25 and 5. Then we have to do that division process first. See, 25 divided by 5, 5 5s are 25. So you have to simply put 5 here and multiply by 25 minus 100 plus 75. Okay, now where is the sign of multiplication? You can see that it is here. Okay, so now do the process of multiplication. 25 5s are, you will get 125. 125 minus 100 and plus 75. So now there is no sign of divide and multiplication. So now we are going to follow this rule. Okay, equal symbol addition and different symbol subtraction, and in the resulting answer we have to put the symbol of bigger number. Okay, so now you can see that 75 is plus, 100 is minus, and this 125 is also plus. Okay, now plus minus, you can see that there is a different symbol. So now you have to do the process of subtraction, and then you will get 125 minus 100, you will get 25. Okay, and now you have to put the symbol of the bigger number. Which one is the bigger one, 100 or 125? Obviously 125 is the bigger number, so we have to put that symbol of bigger one, which is plus. Okay, and now the rest one is plus 75. Okay, now you can see that both are having the equal symbol, and our rule says that equal symbol addition. Okay, so similarly we will go for the process of addition. 75 plus 25, you will get 100, and the symbol of the biggest number, which one is the bigger one, 25 or 75? 75, and 75 is having the plus sign, so in our resulting answer we will also put the symbol of plus, and now hence we got the answer 100. Okay, of that given simplification question.